Welcome back, guys. In this video I will show you how to use the transform geometry node. So let's dive in. So what is the purpose of the transform geometry node? The purpose is to move, rotate and scale the geometry of any object. So let's try it. Hit the new button over there. It's going to be adding the group output connected to the group input. Then Shift A, I'm going to be searching for transform geometry. It's over there. Let's just zoom tiny bit. Then you can see this node over there. We have different factors and control sliders for rotation, scaling and translation. For the inputs we have the translation and the rotation and scaling. For geometry we have the translation on 3 axes, X, Y and Z as shown here. So let's try it. Let's try translate it on the x-axis, move it on the x-axis, and you can also on the y-axis, like this, and on the z-axis. Also we have for the rotation, the input for rotation. You can rotate it on the x-axis by, for example, in this example 14 degrees on the y-axis, and also on the z-axis as shown here. You can play around with those values in order to set your own rotation. Also we have the input and this purple dot over there. You can scale it like this on the x-axis and on the y-axis and on the z-axis as well. And that's it for this node, the transform node. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.